And there is what seems to be a sideshow going on in relation to your party and the government with Niall Collins, junior minister, and when he was a local councillor on a parcel of land that was sold to his wife at some stage. Is this something that is taking over and distracting everything from what's going on in the business of politics? And do you think that Niall Collins need to be more transparent and talk more about what happened in relation to this?
It's certainly not taking over from what we do as politicians are delivering on the likes of this. This is front and centre, us doing legislation. Absolutely, it's unfortunate, the conversations that's going on at the moment. Niall's coming before the Dáil later on today. He's going to make a statement on it.
Do you think he should answer questions?
I think that he's going to... Well, the three party leaders don't feel that he needs to answer questions. I don't think he needs to. He actually has very clearly set out.
Why do you not think he should answer questions? Because, listen, we've seen it in the past. And it looks... I mean, you could tell me, like, is he refusing to answer questions? That's why he won't do it? No,
I don't think he is, Tommy, to be honest with you, refusing to answer questions.
But why won't he do it then?
He is actually...
Because, I mean, this is his second time he's having to stand up in front of the Dáil in a matter of weeks, which is, you know, it's when you're trying to do something good like this, it's embarrassment.
Look he's going to come before it, and I think we should give him the space to hear what he has to say later on.
He'll tell us what we all know.
I have to afford him the opportunity to come before the Dáil today and to actually lay out his statement. We haven't heard his voice. What we've seen...
But we've asked to hear his voice. We've been waiting and he just hasn't come. He hasn't come
will
anywhere.
Hear it later on today, but we've seen snippets all the way along. Let's hear it condensed today.
This is like last year with the Robert Troy situation, and you're talking about people kind of losing faith in the political system. And we're just going, can you please talk to us about what is going on? And this is running on and on and on. And we're waiting to hear from a politician.
Yeah. And I hopefully today that actually he will bring real clarity to it. Hopefully we will have a clear understanding of it. And hopefully today he will actually be able to put a full stop behind it for us to be able to move on.